Socially mobile media. Real-life examples of mobile social media marketing done right. There is no getting around the fact social media is hot. How do you get people talking about you and your enterprise? A great example of the right way to enter into the mobile social media marketing platform is Flipboard. They have been heralded for their innovation to social media. The app is offered for free, and the creating company is able to capitalize on tremendous list building and networking opportunities on the B2B, B2C, and P2P exchanges. Think about things differently. The key to success is thinking about social media differently than you do other promotional venues. Getting to know your audience enables you to craft social media offerings that are specifically tailored to who they are, what they enjoy doing, where they do it, and how they go about making it happen. To increase your comfort level with mobile social, you can visit Yelp, which is totally free for businesses to sign up for. Foursquare is free and offers a specialized business section that arms you with the tools to get recognized. Create special offers and otherwise create measurable campaigns that you can monitor for overall success. In Chapter 5, we will look at mastering mobile advertising. Mastering mobile advertising. Mobile advertising options. SMS, Simple Messaging System. WAP, Web Access Protocol. Example of friend requests like the ones you receive on Facebook. Mobile display advertisements. Search engine ads. Rich media experience. Video opportunity. Push notifications. Other ways to get the job done. Joint venture app marketing campaign. That is, purchase or join forces with somebody who has created a relevant app. Rich media advertising campaigns. Contract a coder or specialized service to create a highly specialized program for your business. In Chapter 6, we will look at tactics for targeting and tracking mobile marketing. Tactics for targeting and tracking mobile marketing. Targeting tactics. Before you can worry about measuring the results of a mobile marketing campaign, you need to figure out who you are marketing to. Know your customers in order to tailor your message to them. Tracking your results. Once you've entered the mobile marketing playing field, data will start coming out of the woodworks. Have analytics in place to track your results. Some of the tools include the mobile marketing landing page, SMS coding solution, opt-in options, apps with tracking built in, and software solution. Join me in Chapter 7 when we look at profits and power, the advantages of mobile marketing. Profit and power, the advantages of mobile marketing. Let's now look at some of the more compelling mobile marketing advantages. Cell phones are constantly close at hand. When a phone is close at hand and you are able to effectively, regularly, and successfully reach those mobile subscribers, that makes your message always within easy reach. Rapid response times. Messages that might have once taken weeks or even months just to get delivered, much less responded to, is now more instantaneous than before. Text messages are generally read and acted upon within minutes of delivery. Join me in the final video as we do a summary
and wrap up. See you there.